Why is your pension performing so poorly? I've written about this in the Financial Times and in my FT published books. Let's look at Fidelity Fund's Global Technology Fund. Wow, that must be one worth owning, surely. Everybody talks about tech. Sorry, not so much. Guess what their 3-year return is? Under 15% across 3 years. Okay, that's their 3-year return. Under 15%. What the hell happened to technology? Well, I know for a start that tech was up, and I'll tell you what's in here, was up this year. 55% was the NASDAQ, which is tech heavy, okay, and the S&P was up 25%. So if it was up 55% in just 1 year, how come these guys are only up 15% across 3 whole years? And I'll tell you what the reason is. 2021, the markets were up significantly. 2023, they were up significantly. So why is it over those 3 years, 2021, 2022, and 2023, when we know in 2023 it was up 55% on the NASDAQ, that a technology fund isn't up anywhere near that? It's only up 15%, because 2022 happened. 2022 was a down year. And you might say, well, it's not their fault, it was a down year. No, it is their fault, and I'll tell you why. They can't go into cash. See, in February 2022, when we said to our clients, go into cash, okay, and we'll wait another month, and it turned out 2022 was better to be in cash, and then some energy stocks around July. These funds can't do that. They're not allowed to. Fund managers are not allowed to do that. You can, but they don't allow you to do that. One advantage you have as a private investor, which is to go into cash. And you might say, no, Alpesh, how do you know it's not going to rebound? You don't want to be trading the markets. We're not talking about trading the markets. We're talking about going one transaction in 1 year, sell into cash February 2022, and then 2023 came along, January, we got back in. It was one transaction in a year, it's not trading. The second thing is, well, how much would they have gone down anyway if the market was only down about 20-odd% in 2022? Well, Meta was down 80%, and these kind of companies would have had to hold it all the way down, let alone the fact that they've got 103 holdings. Don't let these ones fool you. They've got 103 holdings. They are spraying and praying, as so many of them do. Hence the underperformance of 15% across 3 years, where one of those years was a 55% rise in the NASDAQ. Thanks a lot.